The way we structure the lessons usually is we have them kind of broken down by minute. So what I recommend is that the first couple minutes can be spent completely doing nothing math related, just hanging out, figuring out, what you've been up to in life, which might sound like wasting time, but rapport is really important because it's really a relationship. You're building a relationship, right, with a person, and that part's really important. So, and we're creating a stress-free environment, and it's very important that the student's defense mechanism is not triggered during the lesson. And a lot of students are used to having their defense mechanism triggered around math specifically. And by defense mechanism, I mean, I don't want to feel stupid or look dumb in front of someone. And you'll see a lot of kids clam up around the math. And so we want to undo that and have them be as relaxed as possible. So having a conversation and just knowing what they're up to and having like a real connection is part of that. So the first couple of minutes is completely fine to just do that. For the next few minutes, we'll figure out like what's going on in the class. Is there anything super important coming up? Is there a test tomorrow? So basically then we split into two possible routes. A is there's not a test tomorrow or the next couple of days. B is there is. If there's not a test, that frees us to kind of work on the fundamentals a little bit. We're always trying to build a foundation to last because most math issues are due to unmastered foundational skills. Like the fractions are a really common one. So we'll spend about 10 minutes showing the student how to do a problem. We'll do one, then we'll do one together. And then the most important part is that the majority of the lesson, 30 to 35 minutes, is the student doing math or doing problems on their own because they need to prove that they can do it. And so then we go into like what I call minimum possible engagement. We want the student to get practice getting stuck and getting unstuck themselves without our help. And then we spend the last 5 minutes at like an exit ticket, making sure that they've taken away the lessons of the day.